Hello and welcome to another video. You may know there are some bonsai trees more age than any human on earth. No wonder why they are so valuable and expensive. But how much expensive? Let's find out. Here are 8 most expensive bonsai trees in the world. So without any delay, let's start the countdown. Number 8 on the list, Ficus retusa, known as most seasoned bonsai tree on the planet. This tree is in a presentation room at Crespi Bonsai Gallery in Italy after the proprietor of the historical center, Luigi Crespi, worked for north of 10 years to purchase the tree. It was made in China. As opposed to Japan, it is very well, maybe more exact to call a penjing tree, which is Chinese variant of the bonsai. The tree is assessed to be valued at $91,000 and was shown in the historical center's most cherished room. Number 7. Kimura Zelkova Bonsai. Kimura Zelkova Bonsai is one of the most popular instances of the workmanship because of its extraordinary appearance. It is as of now in plain view in the Umeya Bonsai town, supervised by its producer Mr. Masahiko Kimura, the celebrated bonsai craftsman. This specific bonsai is valued at $106,000 and is one of the prides of the nurseries there. Number 6. Sargent Juniper Bonsai Tree. The Taikanten Bonsai Show in Kyoto is one of the greatest festivals of bonsai on the planet Earth. This Sargent Juniper Bonsai tree sold for $350,000 at a sale there. The Prime Minister Award is given to the best bonsai of the year. The principal 50 bonsai that went in plain view when public bonsai and penjing gallery opened in 1976 were all Sargent junipers. The exhibition hall even proposed the tree as its logo. Number 5. 5-needle pine bonsai. A dazzling 5-needle pine bonsai was sold at a bartering for $600,000 in Japan. A large portion of this variety of the tree goes on for many years, and this one was no special case, assessed to be around 300 years of age. Number 4. Yamaki Pine Bonsai. This Yamaki Pine Bonsai work comes from its magnificent history. The most astounding thing about this tree is that it was in Hiroshima when nuclear bomb dropped in 1945. A Japanese news group shot film at the Yamaki nursery after bomb has dropped. This tree been seen as yet remaining behind the scene. It was transported to the US in 1976 by Masaru Yamaki as a gift from Japan to observe America's 200th commemoration. The public arboretum currently houses this amazing tree. The tree worth is assessed to be around $1 million. However, it has not been sold since being gotten by arboretum. Number 3. White Pine Bonsai. Quite possibly of the most established tree on this rundown is a white pine bonsai developed and possessed by the man known as Master Kunio Kobayashi in the Shinkan Bonsai Nursery in Tokyo. This bonsai, which is assessed to be more than 800 years of age, is shown at the nursery in its lavish yet downplayed tokonoma. It was purchased for the historical center by Kobayashi for $1.3 million, making it one of the world's most costly bonsai. Number 2. Ficus Ginseng Bonsai. This Ficus Ginseng Bonsai need to go on the rundown despite the fact that its actual worth has never been found. This tree in Vietnam has reputed esteem in the large numbers, perhaps more than 2 million. Yet its collector has never permitted it to be assessed for its age or cost. Number 1. Juniper Bonsai. The most costly bonsai is the Juniper Bonsai. Juniper Bonsai overall are viewed as the most extraordinary and most costly bonsai trees. One specific model sold for $2 million out of 1981, making it the priciest that has at any point effectively crossed the sale block. The tree was just 250 years of age, so not the most classical on this rundown, yet surely quite expensive. If you liked this video, you may support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. If you want a part 2 of this video, please comment down below.